Yes, sir. We got time to grind. We got time to grind. We got time to grind. One. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, 9.69, 19.30. Fast in the world. We got DJ Worthy. We got Sports Lifestyle. We got Julian coming to the house tonight. We'll see you, bro. Run. Yes, man. Oh. Jamaica.
We've been training, we've been working hard to come to the Olympics for a long while, and we appreciate all you guys. We appreciate all you guys, but after work, we also come fun, and we try to have some fun right now. After we dance for maybe 2 hours, we maybe can take some pictures, but right now, we just want to dance. We just want to dance, so just give us 2 hours. Give us at least 2 hours. We deserve 2 hours of just enjoying ourselves. Please, I'm just begging you guys. Just 2 hours. Thank you very much.
Drop that stuff, Mr. Bulls.